Okay, so we are going to look at a business card. I'm going to select this box. Actually, first delete this box. Get my box here, and then create something that resembles the size of a business card. But we are going to go straight and look into the details. Up here, just follow my cursor. Up here, I'm going to change this to 8.9. Why I'm changing it to 8.9, that's because that is the standard size of a business card. I'm going to change this lower one to 5.1, just like that. And we have our business card right here. So as you notice right now, all the information I need on a business card is right here. I have my name, I have the email, I have the website, I have the phone number, the title, and the company name, or the name that's supposed to be at the top of the business card. This is going to be a one-sided business card. So let's go ahead and start creating the background of the business card. I'll just go ahead and select this rectangle that you created right here, and then I am going to go straight to the properties. Just watch my cursor here. I'm going to go straight to the properties and head to fill. Now there are laptops that do not have this feature. Just go straight to this settings icon, head straight to workspaces and select illustration, and then click on set as current, and then this will appear. So this is selected. Head to properties and then head to fill. Okay, I'm going to choose a plain color from these here. I'm going to choose one here. You can go ahead and select this or this here and choose any shade that you would like to use. I'm going to pick this and then head back to the card here. I'm going to try and create something interesting. I will use the Bezier tool instead of the pen. You could use the pen if you want to, but I'm going to use the Bezier tool. So I will click once, move to the side and make a curve, and then move this side, create another kind of curve. I don't really have a floor plan on what exactly I want to do with this this business card. Okay, we have something going on here. Just Ctrl Z to have this go back. And then I will create something like this. Okay, and then take it up here, then bring it back to node right there. So we have this here. I'll go ahead and move it to the side. Okay, it doesn't seem like something I'd want. I'll leave it. Yeah, this seems okay. This seems fine. Okay, I'm fine with this. Alright, so what next? I'm going to select this, come back to the properties, of course, get to the fill, and this time I'm going to choose blue. Let's try blue. Okay, this is okay. I'll choose this and maybe even click none. So we have this going on for us. What next? Let's try and do something that could be interesting. I'm going to create a logo. I would do that right now, but we don't have a lot of time. So I already have my my few things going on. These I got from free pick. I will leave a link in the description. Import, and then look for that specific logo that I got from free picks right here. Then I will click and drag. This is just an outline on how big I want the logo to be. If I want it to be this size, that's okay. If I want it to be this small, that's still fine. So now I'm able to drag this here, and then increase its size to something like this, or even reduce it just like that. So we have a logo, and now we are going to attach my title to the business card. Visual Arts right there. So the name has disappeared. This is what will take us to the layers under object here. If I click on this arrow here to expand, we have all the letters that are right below this rectangle here. I'll go ahead and carry this name here, put it here, but if I let go, it will disappear and you can't really select it. That is because this rectangle, the red rectangle that you can see on the layers, is below, is actually above the words. So what I will do is click on the rectangle under the layer section, click on the curve, click on the logo, and then take all of them right below the last name right there, and then I will let go. So if you noticed, this here has changed. So I'll go ahead and select the name, put it up here, properly. I can put the number there, bring my email and put it there, bring the website and set it right there. So what next? I'm going to select these three and make them smaller, just like that. Okay, so what I'm looking for right now is colors. I'm going to change this to a different color. I am going to go to properties. Of course, I've selected the word. I can even change the font right here. I can pick out something that seems interesting, like this, and then I'll change the color to something that is visible. I'll leave it as white. White seems okay with me. I will size this, put it in the middle, and then change the fonts for my name and the title. Okay, so select this, choose something that seems interesting to me, of course. I will let this be here. I can even change the colors by clicking this uniform fill and select maybe white. Okay, right. I could even underline them if I chose to, just like that. Okay, so I'm going to bring in a few icons. Now remember, I got my icons from FreePix. The link will be in the description. And I've already set them up in Illustrator. So I'll get this here. This right here can work for the website. I'll right click and group. So what I'm working with right now is Illustrator. So I can drag this, take it straight to Corel Draw and drop it there. Of course, you're going to encounter some problems here. So what I could do is get straight to the folder that has your downloaded information. Right click and open with, choose an app, open with Corel Draw, which will make things a little more interesting. I just click OK, and then just wait for it. Click OK. So we have this here. We have this. Okay, it's a bit complex. So what I'll do is select this here, right click and group, so that we can move the whole thing at a go. I will right click again and copy. Head straight to the next untitled bar and right click and paste. Or edit, paste. It's right here. And I will drag it up there and size it down to something that is reasonable. And that is how you get clear vectors. Okay, I'll look for the email. Let's get back to the next untitled and look for this. Any of these can work. Any of these can work. And I'll select this, hold shift, right click, group, right click, copy, move to the next, edit, and then paste. It's right here. I will drag it here on top and size it down, just like this. You can decide to make them smaller, that is all up to you. So now I'm going to look for the phone icon. Move to the next untitled and look for the phone. This could work. I'll select this here. If I move it around, it doesn't really seem to move. There's a group, so I'll select this below, select the black circle and group. Right click and group. Then right click again, copy, move to the untitled one, edit, then paste. It's right there. So I'll move this here and size it down to something reasonable. Okay, so all you have to do is just arrange your work properly. Change the fonts, do whatever you're looking for. And there we have a business card right there. You can choose to add other things like maybe your services and what you do. But these here are the most important. If you wanted to add maybe some kind of social media thing, you could just add it right there. So I'll go ahead and get to the next. Let's say, let's pick out Twitter, WhatsApp. I'll hold this, right click and group. Okay, so we have Twitter, WhatsApp. I'll select YouTube. I'll select WhatsApp. I'll select TikTok. Select Twitter, and even IG. But let me check if IG is alright. Okay, seems this is also not right. So right click and group. Okay, so I will select this, Facebook, select Instagram, select Twitter, select TikTok, select WhatsApp, and select YouTube. Right click, then copy. Come to this, edit, and paste. So we have them right here. Then I will size all of them down to a reasonable size, and then expand them a bit. So all I have to do is just organize them properly. It all comes down to organization. How you are able to organize all these things. So if it so happens that you have all these with different names, you'll have to do something different too. I will select this name here, and then I'll Control D to duplicate, bring it down here, and then I will change the font to make it something that is suitable for this right here. Okay, so we have that. Okay, then I will move it aside, remove this, and maybe even change its color to let's say black. Okay, so it has refused to change. I'll go ahead to uniform here, change it to black. So what I'm trying to show here is all these are under one name. Okay.